What's up guys, this is Tampatec and this is my son,
Devin.
In the last video we were repairing the Teddy Ruxpin, but we didn't have the cassette, we didn't have the proper cassette to test the unit. We replaced 6 wires, we soldered 6 wires, and we cleaned out all the battery acid in the battery holder, and the battery acid ate up some wires on the battery holder to the circuit board.
Yeah.
So we resoldered those wires. Now we're gonna test it and see if it works, so we could put it on eBay for sale and make $5.
Money.
Who knows how much? All right. So when you put the cassette in,
make sure you don't put it in backwards, or you'll see it'll fry the board.
It triggers the switch right here, which is where the orange wire goes to the board. And let's go ahead and hit power. It is moving.
The motor's moving.
The motor is moving. And the belt is moving.
What happens if I touch it?
I didn't hear audio. Oh, I didn't have the speaker plugged in. That's why. Let's plug in the speaker and see if we get audio. Alright, so the cassette player is working, but the eyes and mouth don't move. I wonder why.
Well, as a matter of fact, it did start out to be a boat, but then
We'll probably have to cut all this open right here and restitch it.
Jesus. It's like brain surgery. Dude, we need to call a doctor. We're not brain surgeons.
There's voltage going to the motors to the face.
We need his DNA.
It's moving. Yeah, I hear it.
It's not. Can you fix it up so it's easier to see?
I hear it.
Not gonna sense into him.
Wake up, Teddy Ruxpin! I'm not gonna lose you! And now, we need a razor. Grab the razor. Right there. Hanging up. There we go. Got it.
Is he just ripping it open?
Oh yeah, Mom's gonna have to stitch this. She's good at that.
Well, the stitchings are just coming right out. Can I do one?
Go ahead and unthread it.
These ones touch the top.
Poor Teddy. Should we get him some anesthesia?
No.
No, go carefully. Go with the thread.
I don't know where the thread's going.
See?
I guess this one's gonna be.
Is that the last bit or no?
This way. Oh, that's what you mean by go by the thread.
There you go.
Oh, well then this is as easy. Look at his head. Dude, that's made out of foam.
It was kind of creepy looking. Like we were like scalping him.
I can't wait to see what he looks like. That's it.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh.
The insides of Teddy Ruxpin.
Oh.
Look at his head. It looks like an egg.
Come on.
Oh!
Look at his face. You're peeling his face off.
We have to peel his face off, and then we have to remove his eyes. Remember the guy in the video was removing his eyes?
Yeah.
We have to take off Teddy Ruxpin's eyes.
You ever see a video of a facelift? This is it.
What is that?
Alright, let's go ahead and... So, it looks like the head is in the slot. I'm going to slide it out.
Jesus. We're literally decapitating Teddy Ruxpin. Oh my god. Oh my god. What'd you do?
I don't know. I just watched the video. Let me give the guy a shout out because his video is pretty good. It's Workshop 1138. He only has 831 subscribers.
Dad will put it in the link in the description below and get that guy to 1,000.
Yeah, see if he gets 1,000 subscribers. And then you can make some money. I think after 1,000 subscribers, you earn some money, right?
Yeah, make 1,000 subscribers and get 10,000 views monthly.
Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and see if we got cracked his head open. Let's crack his head open.
Can I do that like an egg? It looks like an egg.
Ooh. Oh!
Ew! Dumb! That's like my nightmare.
Teddy Ruxpin versus Chucky. That'd be a great movie.
Can I show Dominic? I'm gonna go get Dom.
Hold on, Devin.
I'm gonna get Dom.
No, Devin, I got a good idea, good prank.
What?
Put your face in this and then talk to Dom. Go ahead, just doing the video. Put your tongue through it.
My tongue can't reach.
Oh God! Stop. All right, reminds me of Goonies. Remember that part in Goonies where it's like, "Hey Mikey, come here and give me a kiss." We got the Teddy Ruxpin finally working. Here it is. Hello, everybody. I'm Teddy Ruxpin. Today we're going to fly on an airship. Let's get started. You got it off.
No, he's a trained professional. I'm a little kid. There was a kid in school today. He had like a long piece of cloth, like a little string. And he knotted it up in the center. And then he put the center of it where the big knot was, and he sniffed it. And it went into his nose, and then he pulled it out. And he
Pulled it out where? Up his nose?
Yeah, out of his nose. And it was like deep in his nose. And then he pulled it out, and he kept doing that. It was so gross.
He put it up his nose?
I almost gagged.
Did he pull it out of his mouth? Or just up his nose?
No, he had a wire, right?
A wire?
No, not a wire. Not
String.
a wire. If he had a wire, he would have died.
You gonna go ahead and string?
Yeah, he had a piece of string, like a long piece of string. He knotted up the middle, and then he sniffed it. It went into his nose really, really deep, and then he pulled it out, and then he did this with the string. And then he just continued doing that, and I almost gagged in the middle of class, and I was laughing really hard, so I had to put my jacket over my face so the teacher didn't see me laughing.
Here we go. Here we go. This is it.
You're gonna split them in half like an egg. How much screws did you get?
Oh my God, there's a lot going on here.
Well, let me see.
There's a lot of belts.
Yeah. Open it. What if it was just 2 belts?
Oh, the motor's in there.
Where?
There's one motor here and one motor here. Feel it. Feel it. Put your finger in there.
Dad, look, the string's not even on.
Oh, it's not string, it's a belt.
That belt's not even on.
Alright, we're gonna have to...
Turn it off.
So we look in here, and there's a loose belt.
It's not even on. So
Well,
I'm just
I
gonna
just-
put it back on.
Well, it fell off. When I opened it, it fell off, but it was a loose belt in there. Go ahead and try to put it back together.
I put it right here. I'll hold it open, you do it. Oh.
Ready? You gotta move your hand out of the way. Teddy Ruxpin cost me $19.99 broken, and the rubber bands cost me $4.99, total $24.98. I'm in debt. Hopefully I could get this Teddy Ruxpin working and sell it for around $40. That'll be a decent profit for me on this challenge. Alright, so I have it opened. I'm going to take this pulley out and clean it up. Go ahead and put it back on. Let me get that rubber band out. And he said if it's warped like that, then switch it out. So that's what I'm going to do. These rubber bands should be circular in shape, not egg shaped. Got it. Finally. See in there? I got all the belts on. I got all the brand new belts on. 1, 2, 3.
Sound reminds you to open the book to page 1. Each time you hear that sound again, you turn a page, okay? There's a picture of Grubby. He's been a good friend of mine for a long time. Say hello to our new friend, Grubby.
Can you sew this up when I'm done?
Hi there. How are you?
With the help of my wife, she has thinner fingers than I do, and she discovered that one of the rubber bands I put on it was too big. It's actually all the same sizes. Oh, I just messed it up. So when you close it up, you have to make sure they all fit in the holes. All the pulleys fit in the holes. And it's kind of tricky, but you use a flathead and you pretty much line it up and get it in there. Go. Got it in. Alright, so they're all the pegs are in the holes, and just close it up. Seems like it's not closing right. Alright, I had to move the mouth to get it lined up right. So everything seems to be okay. I have it plugged in right now. Replacing the rubber bands. This is for the cassette player. Got a bunch of these all laying all around. And you know it's bad because it's shaped like this, like an egg shape. It should be a circular shape. Don't buy just one belt for $5 or $10 just because it says Teddy Ruxpin or whatever it says. Just buy the regular belts, and they come assorted, but you get so much more for $5. Just gonna pull this through, and this goes on the motor pulley in the back, and just goes on right here on the big pulley. I replaced the belt right there. The cassette is in, and hit play. The mouth is moving. See? And the eyes. It sounds kind of like, doesn't sound like it's in the right speed. There's a speed adjustment right here. I'm gonna try to adjust that if I can find a screwdriver. Put it on 50%. Oh yeah, look at that.
Bubby and I had always wanted to go in search of new and wonderful things. Then, one day, we found an old treasure map. very useful this method. Grubby and I were very...
This is my niece Kirsten,
Hi.
and if this Teddy Ruxpin does not sell on eBay, this Teddy Ruxpin is yours. So I bought her a Teddy Ruxpin last Christmas. That was the new generation Teddy Ruxpin with Bluetooth, and the eyes are LCD screens. They animate, but the eyes can be a little bit creepy when the Teddy Ruxpin's turned off. They're black when it's turned off, and when it turns on, they're animated, obviously. But do you like this one better, or do you like the other one better?
This one.
Why?
It's way easier to use the button, and it's cuter. And then on the back, like right here, you can just take it out really easily.
Oh,
Just
the
like that
swap them
there.
out.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then it's way easier to turn it on.
Just one button turns it on.
And cause the ship to lift off the ground. It sounded logical.
And the eyes,
But somehow
it's not
something
creepy like the
quite
old one.
right.
Like the old one, just like
Teddy,
it's really black. It turned black.
doesn't seem
It'd be really creepy. Like if you were like 2 years old, you wouldn't want the old one. Like the one. It would
The
creep
old,
you out.
the new one is not too bad.
Yeah.
I see what they were trying to do with the Bluetooth and the animated eyes, but what they should have done is they should have done like an animatronic.
Yeah.
I mean, they did do the animatronic mouth, but they should have done the animatronic eyelids with the LCD screen. That probably would have been tricky to do, but I'm sure they could have done it. If this doesn't sell on eBay, then you have two Teddy Ruxpins. The old school retro one, vintage Teddy Ruxpin, and the new one. So if this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up. And if you know anyone that may be interested in this video, go ahead and click on the share button below, share this video to them. And if you're interested in the eBay repair challenges, subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on all the eBay repair challenges. Also, check out Steve's channel, Tronics Fix, Elliot from the Retro Future, and Vince from My Mate Vince. They're all included in this eBay repair challenges. Their links will be in the video description below. Thanks guys for watching.